What's up, guys? I'm Chase.
And I'm Landon, and today we're unboxing the newly released Air Jordan 1 KO Billie Eilish in this Volt colorway. Let's go.
All right, so looking at these in hand, these things are a lot to look at, and personally, I think they're just okay. Nike also collaborated with Billie Eilish on a Jordan 14 model, and I really wish that we got those instead of these. But overall, it's just an okay shoe. What about you? What do you think?
Yeah, so I mean, definitely a really loud colorway with that Volt green or yellow, however your eyes see it. But, you know, definitely not a bad look. These did release in like an Air Jordan 1 KO, like storm blue colorway around the same time as these. These definitely pop a little bit more, so I do like how they threw the collab on there. But the Air Jordan 1 KO model, yeah, it's nothing special. It's just one of those okay models. But overall, rating these 1 to 5, what are you going to give it?
I'm going to rate it a 2 out of 5 for me, just because, you know, I just don't think anything special about the shoe other than it was collaborated with Billie Eilish. And overall, the quality on this it's like I said, okay. So I'm going to lock it in at a 2 out of 5 for me. What about you? What's your rating?
Yeah, I'm going to give it a 3 out of 5. I'm going to go just a little higher because I do, like he said, I do like whenever Nike does collab with different people. So this is a nice shoe for Billie Eilish. They do also give you a lace swap option in a few different colorways with like blue, orange, and kind of like a cream color. So I'm not sure that any of those would really look good on this shoe. The orange would definitely make it pop a little bit more. But yeah, that's just a nice little something that they threw on there just to kind of sweeten the shoe up just a little bit. But yeah, 3 out of 5, nothing too crazy, but still good enough. I mean, it's not a bad look overall, but that's actually going to wrap up our unboxing for the Air Jordan 1 KO Billie Eilish. Thank you guys for taking some time to watch.
And if you guys like this shoe, definitely give this video a like. And if you don't, let us know why in the comments below. And feel free to give these your rating 1 to 5. But until next time,
Peace.